Okay, y'all, I'm going to try it again. I hate this camera. I'm going to get my new camera and learn how it works because I can't stand it anymore. Alright, so what I was doing was showing you an unboxing, so now it's already unboxed. But it's still new. This is a large Duxbury. This is the size of a Duxbury. This is a large Duxbury, so you can see the difference. It's significant. So this, I would say a regular Duxbury is just a nice handbag size. This is a larger, as you can see. I'm always put it by my face so you can see how much larger it is. But I fell in love with this color. It's called Bellbottom Blue, I believe. Yes, large Duxbury satchel, Bellbottom Blue, and of course it's the Melbourne alligator finish imprint in ombre. So you'll see that the color goes from dark to light. That's what ombre means. It's got its bag charm. Let's see what the handles look like. I got two of them. I got one from Dillard's. Usually I buy direct from Brahmin. But then I saw that Macy's had this same bag on sale from its regular price of $3.25 to $2.27. Like, I got a significant, almost $100 discount, so I was like, buying it. So I'm returning the other one, and I think I'm going to keep this, y'all. It's really, out of my blues, I mean, you can see some of my blues. Actually, let me see if you can. If I move this over a little bit, if you can see these blues right up here. And this one's like a really deep royal metallic blue with gold. And this one is a really rich metallic blue with aqua. And so they have a certain look. But this is very pale. And I feel like it'd look great with white. With blue jeans, it's called bell bottom. And I just feel like, and that, you know, obviously is, you know, the Songbird purse. So that's just an item purse. A specialty item purse. Let me move this. This one is a python blue and black. Can you see that? And so, again, when you hold these all next to each other, the closest is this Duxbury. And it's kind of a metallic. I mean, it's kind of that same lighter blue, but it's a metallic. So, I feel like this is different enough that this would be like my last need of a blue purse. And I got it for $100 off. So I think I am going to go ahead and keep this. I do. I think I'll have to think about it. What do y'all think? With that many blue purses, would you keep another one? Let me put that right there so you can see it. I feel like that's kind of circled up my blue, because the only other blue that I have as far as a blue bag is my Coach blue, and it is gorgeous and I love it. But these are my Brahmins, and so I'm thinking I'm going to keep this. This is a Finley, by the way, this style. And this is kind of like an iridescent gold, opalescent white finish. So I'm thinking, these are the last of my purchases. I am trying to say to myself I don't need any more. And I feel like this is kind of my last huzzah, and it was on sale. So I feel like it's a good deal. And I think I have enough handbags. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start selling some again. I'm going to be probably selling my beautiful Prada here, and maybe some others, a Chanel, and of course the Kristen Dior, a Canage or Conage, however you say that one. So I will be selling that one, and I am using Fashion File for now. We'll see. I did use Real. I had a real not great experience with them losing my Van Cleef & Arpels necklace. They ended up, we settled on what we could do about it. I wasn't happy about it, but I feel like I'm going to be okay with it. But right now I'm using Fashion File, and I'm also looking at some other, like, trades. There's different consignment, lightly loved purse companies out there. So anyway, also I want to show you this real quick. Some new charms for my charm bracelet, and this is Gona, G-O-N-A. And so I thought I'd show you that real quick. Now I'm going to see if I can make this, will it blank it out? Will you see it? May have to just do photos on something like Instagram or something. But I got this little handbag, this little bird, and that's it. Oh, some of these spacers for these little, these are not real rubies and diamond gel. These are crystals. And it's plated, so you just don't ever use anything but a silver cloth to clean it. And I'm kind of a ruby girl. I love rubies. This bracelet, these rings, all from Lance. And, oh, and this was my gift with purchase. Is that the cutest little ring? Can y'all see that? It's like a leaf with a little diamond. But of course it's a crystal. It's not a real diamond. I'm looking over here because that's where the monitor is. Sorry about that. But anyway, so I got some of those. And then this little necklace charm right here. Right, where is it? Right there. I'll hold it up. And let's just see if I hold it up, if it will. I don't think it will. Again, I feel like my lighting has just changed. That's a real flattering look. Can you see it? It's kind of pretty. It's just little flowers with little butterflies. And again, it's colored crystals. It's not real gemstones. But I think it's pretty. And wearing the ruby that my hubby gave me with it. And that's the latest on handbags and jewelry. I am going to do a makeup haul and some skincare stuff that I'll show you, but I really wanted to get your thoughts on this being my final purchase for probably a very long time on handbags. And it's a Brahmin. It has become one of my favorites because it's very affordable. I mean, it's usually between $200 and $300 for a really nice bag. Honestly, sometimes I feel like these are nicer quality than some of my really high-end bags, luxury handbags. So I consider this a luxury midpoint in pricing, but I'm thinking I'm going to keep it. It's kind of like the bell-bottom blue color has almost got like a royal purple to it. And I feel like it's really pretty. And it could just, it's one of those things you literally could put on with blue jeans and a sweatshirt. And it looks fine, but it looks still very elegant. Or you could wear white jeans with it and a really pretty, like, melon colored jacket or yellow, and it would just have a very crisp spring and summer look. And of course it's a large bag. I mean, the Duxburys are bigger, and I wanted, again, it has it's a smaller strap, and I doubt you would really use it that much, but I always have it in there. I feel like that because it's bigger, you can just use it like for the whole weekend, all week, whatever. It will go with just anything, because working from home mostly, I still do go into the office a bit. I'm usually wearing sweats or jeans, so this works. And I always love that it's got the little feet on the bottom, and that's where you can really see the color too when you look at the bottom of the bags. But anyway, give me your thoughts. Last bag for a very long time. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.